Alright folks, so as you can see, I've moved the Corolla into the spot where I can work on it. So a few years ago I replaced the fuel pump and got the car to run, but maybe for the last 2 years we've tried moving it around and we've had to push it because it wouldn't start. So went ahead and before I pulled the motor out, I wanted to check the fuel pump, and so let me show you what I have going on over here. So I got some, alligator clips, and as you can see, I clipped onto the wire harness, and there's no power. You don't hear the fuel pump turning, but sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. If I went ahead and clip on the fuel pump itself, I don't even have to, I could barely have to touch it, and now I've also tried to ground the bracket itself. There we go. And touch the positive, and nothing. Now I can leave the positive on here. Let's do this. There. So that should be spinning the fuel pump. If I touch where this is grounded on the bracket, I don't know if you saw that, it'll spin, but nothing here. So I'm going to go ahead and drill these out, the rivets. I'm going to clean out the contacts, so I'm going to wire brush the contacts and pop them back on. So that's what's going to be in this video, and yeah. Alright, so give me a few minutes. I'm going to drill it out, clean it, and put it back together. Hopefully that'll solve my fuel pump issue. Alright, peace. Alright folks, so it's been a couple hours. I went ahead and I'll show you what I did here. I went ahead and made all new wires, connections for the bracket. See, new bolts, nuts, new wires, new wire connectors. And I went ahead, so again, this wasn't turning on, so I already tested it, and if I connect the power on here, so oops, sorry, there we go, connecting the power, fuel pump works. So I think my my fix worked. I'll go ahead and install the, oops, sorry about that. I'm going to go ahead and install the fuel pump back in the tank, and then install the tank back in the car. And I'm going to try the car. Alright. I'll put you back on when I have everything installed and ready for testing. Okay. Bye. Alright guys, so I have, as you can see, I tested the fuel pump here. I've installed it back in the tank. The tank is back in the car. So we're going to go ahead and start the car and show you. Alright, back in business. Now I know I can replace my engine.